I welcome you on Sales Conference 2020, and due to COVID I know you have to wait for almost 4 months because it was planned in June normally every year, but because of the COVID we have to delay it, and we are grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that who has provided us this opportunity that we are celebrating 15th year of success in Prime Aluminium Industries. I thank all of you for participating in this event. I share with you the journey. As you know that we anticipated this project in 2006 and started the production, and Alhamdulillah in 2009 we became the pioneer in introducing the multicolor technology on aluminium profiles in Pakistan, and we brought this technology from Europe. Prime Aluminium is contributing in national economy for the last 15 years. We have created more than 300 jobs and thousands of jobs related to the construction industry. Prime Aluminium is supporting the present Prime Minister Naya Housing Pakistan scheme by offering economical products for low-cost housing schemes. Our R&D team has successfully developed many products for the allied industries like kitchen industry, refrigeration industries, hospital industry and furniture industry. This year we Alhamdulillah have an agreement with the aluminium system provider company from Europe, which is Allocate, and Alhamdulillah in Pakistan we will be the first company to have the license to extrude the European products. Our products are certified by the European lab and validated from the UNICEF, and Alhamdulillah has contributed in saving millions of dollars of foreign exchange for our country and has facilitated allied industry for the supply chain management. Today, we are also launching a catalog which will provide opportunity to the architects to select almost 20 finishes in aluminium for their projects. Prime Aluminium has become a first company to offer such a long range of products under one roof. To support the vision of Prime Minister to safeguard forest and protect the ozone layer, this year we have introduced a new series of aluminium products which will be available in wood finish, and we are introducing in teak wood finish and also in bare wood finish. So that product can be used for making windows, doors, cupboards, kitchen cabinets and furniture. So it will help in saving our forests. I would like to congratulate to all of you. As all of you know, Sales Conference 2020 marks a significant milestone. Alhamdulillah, we have successfully started the production of new plant. Thank you very much. Now you will see the video of the latest